Hey everyone, there are three main ways to deploy manually on Vercel, depending on whether you want to use your browser, command line, or dashboard. I'll walk you through all three so you can pick what works best for your setup. The first method is Vercel Drop. This is the fastest if you just want to drag and drop. Open your browser and go to vercel.com/drop. Drag your entire project folder onto the page. You'll see a drop zone area where you can release it. Once it uploads, choose your team from the dropdown, either personal or an organization. Enter a project name in the text field, then click Deploy. Vercel will detect your framework automatically and build it, or just deploy the files as is if there's no framework. When the build finishes, you'll get a unique deployment URL. This method is great for static sites, build output, or quick prototypes. If that's not your style, the next method is the Vercel CLI. This works from the command line. Open your terminal and install the Vercel CLI globally by running npm i-g vercel. Once that's installed, log in by running vercel login. Navigate to your project directory using cd/path.to/your.project. Then run the vercel command to deploy. If this is your first time deploying this project, you'll get a few setup prompts. Type yes to confirm setup. Choose your scope, personal or organization account. When it asks if you want to link to an existing project, type N if you're creating a new one. Enter your project name. Confirm the source path. It's usually /. Vercel should detect your framework and set the correct settings. When it asks if you want to modify settings, type N to use the defaults. The deployment URL will appear in your terminal output when it's done. A .vercel directory gets added to your project to store the project and organization IDs. If you want to deploy to production instead of a preview environment, run vercel-prod instead. Still need another option? The third method is manual deployment from the dashboard using a Git reference. This only works if your project is already connected to a Git repo on Vercel. Log into vercel.com and select the project you want to deploy. Click the Deployments tab in the sidebar. Look for the three-dot menu next to the Deployments header and click it. Select Create Deployment. Choose the Git reference you want, either a specific commit or branch. Click Deploy to start the build. You'll see build logs in the dashboard as it runs, and when it's done, a new deployment URL appears in your deployments list. All three methods give you a unique deployment URL. Keep in mind Vercel has preview and production environments. The default Vercel command and most manual deployments go to preview URLs. If you use the CLI without the -prod flag, you can promote a preview to production later from the deployment details page using the Promote to Production option. That's how to deploy manually on Vercel.